You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. The name famous for being the name of a Belgian astronomer and mathematical statistician. So if you want to learn more from mathematics and statistics, make sure to stay tuned. So he was from Brussels, part of Belgium where they speak French, so French pronunciation applies. Quetelet in French, Quetelet. Now in English it's often pronounced as Quetelet or Quetelet, but really Quetelet would be the more appropriate pronunciation. Quetelet, Quetelet, or French, Quetelet. Adjutant, adjutant. Stress on the first syllable, adjutant. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.